Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the home science class. In this session, I am here with you, your home science teacher, Hasina Afroz, Assistant Professor of Milestone College, Department of Home Science. It is the second lecture of chapter 7. Our today's topic is Importance of Family Relation on Child Development. Let's see your learning outcome. From today's session, you will able to know importance of family relation on child development. Positive role of father contribute in the development of a child. Relationship between husband and wife play an important role for their child development. What kind of behavior of sibling help the development of a child? Role of other family member for development of child. Let's start the details. One of the functions of the family is to help the child to become worthy to the society. After birth, a relation develops between the families and the child. Within 7 to 8 months, the child can make relation with parents or with those who take care of them. If observed any child of this age, it is found that they especially try to get affection from parents. Let's see some important relation of child development. This relationship is intimately related with child development. Relation with mother, then relation with father, then good relationship between husband and wife, interrelationship with siblings, then interrelationship with other family members. Role of other family members is also important for child development. First of all, let's see the relation with mother. When mother enters into child's room, then the child becomes happy. If mother takes him in lap, he keeps hand on her mother, play with her. The child takes shelter in mother's bosom when he becomes afraid. Relation with mother begins immediately after birth. Soft touch of mother, affection, laugh, everything develops deep relation with the child. Secondly, positive role of father or relation with father. Participation of father in nurturing a child is not less important compared to the mother. On the other hand, sometimes positive role of father gives more strong contribution in intellectual, social, and emotional development of a child than mother. Researchers found that intimate relation with father gives positive role in the development of a child. In those families where father gives adequate time to the child, participate affectionately to nurture the child, then behavioral problem of the children of those families becomes less. Even participation of father helps to prevent drug addiction or criminal activities of adolescence period. Good relationship between husband and wife. Not only intimate relation of parents with the children is important, but there should be a good relation between themselves as a husband and wife is also important factor on child development, because child of family sorry because child of happy parents also becomes happy. From attachment with parents, the child feels more secure and gets pleasure. When there is absence of good relation between mother and father, then they cannot give attention to nurture the child. So, the development of a child is harmed. If a child gets adequate food but not nurtured properly, the development of brain is less than those children who got adequate love, attention and stimulation. Understand? Okay. Then interrelation with siblings. The relationship is also very important for child development. Poor interrelation between siblings obstructs the self-concept of a child. How siblings evaluates the child, that means when they say he is good or bad, that concept is established towards him. By following the elder siblings, the child learns good or bad behavior. With closeness of siblings, the child feels security. Again, for future life, the child acquires experience by mixing with group. Good relation between siblings like parents is necessary for the proper development of a child. If good relationship exists with siblings in a family, closeness between them comes and their time becomes cheerful. Let's see the table. As a sibling, the behavior which makes good relation and helps in the development of a child. Cooperate to take care of younger sibling. Share something. Help each other. Give them company. Play with them. Live together with all. Create affection relation with them. Then, which behaviors are harmful to develop the family relation and obstruct the development of children? No time to give com- No time to give companionship to younger siblings. Priority in self-interest. Jealousy. Avoid the company of siblings. Quarrel. Hitting others. Neglect them. Feeling superior of himself. Role of other family members. In the family, paternal grandpa and paternal grandma, maternal grandpa and maternal grandma tells story with the child, tells many events of their life. They hear the discomfort of the child and try to solve this and give affection and love to the child. In joint family system of our country, there live many members there live many members in a family who helps parents to nurture a child. Especially in case of working mother, the role of other members are more to take care of the child. It is noticeable the attitude of relatives towards the child. When somebody thinks that their task is to look after the child, not to hear the vocabulary of the child, there is no need to play with them. In that case, the intimate relationship never grows with that members and the development of child is hampers. In the family, paternal grandpa and grandma and maternal grandpa and grandpa tells a story with the child, tells many events of their life. They hear the discomfort of the child and try to solve this and give affection and love to the child. In this way, exchange of feelings with all the family members is very important in the first few years of the child. Listen. Exchange of feelings with all the family members is very important in the first few years of the child. Exchange of feeling with the people around him and on the basis of interpersonal relationship, the brain of the child develops. If the foundation of good relationship is created with the members of the family, in future the child will learn to think about parents, siblings and other members of the family as friends. So we learn that importance of family relation on child development. All relationship is very much important for child development. Your today's classwork. Write some ways to develop relationship with sibling in a family. Within how many days of a child birth the relation with its family development? Whose responsibility is prominent to bring up a child as suitable for society? On which basis the development of the brain of a child occur? The answer is the fourth number of question is exchange of feeling with the people surrounded him and on the basis of interpersonal relationship the brain of the child develops. Whose responsibility is prominent to bring up a child as suitable for society, family. Within how many days of a child birth the relation with its family development? Within 7 to 8 months. First one is comprehensive type question. This is your homework. See. Read attentively and learn the lesson properly. Thank you. Goodbye.